And we begin this morning here in the Weather Center with meteorologist Sally Severson because we want to get right to these cold temperatures. You've got the wind chill chart out.
That's right. Temperatures early this morning between about 9 and 12, and wind chills are between about 3 and 10 degrees below zero this morning. And the west winds are going to continue for us today. Yesterday we had 19 degrees. You know, our average high should be in the mid-40s. This is the coldest November high since 1977. Now, right now at the airport, 12 degrees, and skies are partly cloudy. Wind chill index in at 3 degrees below zero, and a west wind that's gusting up to around 21 miles an hour. So your planner then for today: Shorewood, you're breezy and cold. You'll touch right around 19, and West Dallas, you'll get to 19 degrees as well with a partly sunny sky, and we'll keep those afternoon chills pretty close to around zero. Menominee Falls, you'll stay dry all day as well, just a touch cooler there with daytime highs at around 17 degrees. Here's a look at the radar. I expect a dry day for much of the day. We had those snow showers yesterday and flurries off and on. That won't be the case for today, but we do have snow in the forecast for tomorrow.